Hey guys, welcome to our engineering activity. My name is Coach Shano, and today we're going to be looking at two implements you're going to be comparing your engineering activity to. The first is a GoFit purchased black foam roller, and the second is our green massage bar that was actually purchased both of these at store, but obviously you'll be making your own. So this is the competition. Before every workout and after every workout, we like to roll out. So what we'll do is we'll show you how to use these specific devices. We'll start with the foam roller first. So what we're about ready to demonstrate is I'll demonstrate rolling out my quadriceps first. Then we'll go over to the IT band, and then go posterior, rolling out our hamstrings, and then eventually our gastrocnemius, which is one of the main muscles in your calf. So first, it'll look a little funny. We'll just go ahead and drop it on the floor. Go ahead and assume safe position, make sure your back is flat, and then really just go ahead and crawl out until the quadricep meets contact with the foam roller. You'll want to go about superior above your patella, and then really just roll up to the groin to whatever feels comfortable. So we're going to go ahead and walk backwards using our elbows to make sure we get to as close to the groin as we can. We'll go ahead and move forward, and to increase the level of difficulty, or more or less apply more pressure, since this is not a skill but more or less a therapeutic, you can go ahead and cross your leg over. So in this case, I'll be exercising my right quad. Over here, if I put my right leg over my left, now I'll be putting more pressure on my left quad. And as I roll back and forth, really feel that good myofascial self-release. That's the quadricep. What we'll do is roll over here to the IT band. You can only do one at a time here. This will be the right IT band. And we'll go from the first hip all the way once again to the knee, as I'm supporting myself with my elbow and my shoulder and my arm. As I just roll back and forth, this is what it looks like to roll out my right IT band. And then in order to be balanced, I would flip over and do the left IT band, but for the sake of time, we'll wait on that. As I continue to roll over, I'm gonna go ahead and start to walk backwards using my arms again. Right now I'm exercising I'm rolling out my right hamstring. If I wanted to increase the pressure, I would cross over my left leg on top of my right and go from the lower butt region over to beneath the kneecap. You can do both at the same time, or if I wanted to focus more on my left hamstring, I would cross it over and then continue to roll out. In order to get the calf, we'll just go ahead and push it down a little bit further there. And once again, very similar to the hamstring, we can go forward and backward to increase pressure on the right calf. In this case, the gastrocnemius would be on the right side. Here, I'm going to put increased pressure on the left gastrocnemius, the left calf muscle there. And if you wanted to even get the soleus, which is the side part of the calf muscle, very similar to the hamstring, you would just turn your foot in a 90-degree fashion and roll out the soleus there. So really quick, that's what it looks like to do the foam roller. And your massage bar, for a lot quicker, easily more accessible when you don't have the space to be able to roll out. You do the exact same thing. Just go ahead and get your hands in a frontward fashion and to roll out your quad. Literally apply pressure as needed in order to continue your myofascial self-release. That's what it looks like for your quad. Your IT band will turn for you, literally up and down from your hip pointer right to above the knee. In order to do the hamstring, we'll turn around for you, go in between the legs, more in a staggered stance, and then you'll continue to go down to right behind the knee, all the way up to the groin area as high as you can go in order to conduct myofascial self-release on the hamstring. And then for the calf, what we would do is very similar to the hamstring. You could even drop down to a knee to protect your back. Come here, behind the knee, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. That focuses on the gastrocnemius, the meaty part right here, the bigger part of your calf muscle. And if you wanted, we could turn around and hit this bottom part, or excuse me, the lateral part, which would actually be your soleus. And just as you roll it out, just as you're rolling out cookies. So there you have it. That is myofascial self-release, the competition, which is your green massage bar, your black foam roller. Hopefully you can build something better. Good luck.